An array is used to store multiple values of the same data type, sort of like a list. In my program, I have an example array called animals. This is an array storing multiple strings, of which I currently have 4 different values: cat, dog, chicken, and sheep. To access a value in the array, I first write out the name of the array, which in this case is called animals. And then within 2 square brackets, I will put the position of the element of the array I want to access. The key thing to remember is that in programming, all arrays start with the position 0. So if I entered the number 1 into the square brackets, I'm actually accessing the element containing the value dog within my array. If I wrap what I've just written in a print function, we can see that the program outputs the string dog. If I go back to my code and change the position I want to access to 3, now when I run the code, it will print out the string stored in the element of my animals array, which is sheep. I can change the value of a particular element by writing the name of the array and choosing the position. In this case, I'm changing the third element, which currently contains sheep, and I'm going to make it equal to the string cow. Now when I run my code, instead of my print function outputting the original value sheep, it will output the new value of cow.